Hello everybody. Today we're gonna start with the assignment 5. Okay, we're gonna continue on from last week one. All right. So assignment 5, we're gonna start with make correction to graphic. Okay. So if you in your textbook, it'll be page 431. All right. So I'm already here. Okay. So we're gonna make correction. Now download this file enhancement and then open it. Okay, so first thing first, we need to select the two boys, the photos of the two boys, and then on the picture tools format tab. Okay, you can see up here when you select it, the picture, then only this will appear. If you don't select it, you notice this one disappear. So you must select it, then you will have the format. Okay, and then click the corrections button. Okay, so let me go down here first. So corrections button is this one. All right, so we have all this. Okay, so which one do we want? We want the sharpen 50%. Okay, so we go corrections and then sharpen. Is this sharpen? No, it's soften. No, sharpen 50%. Now take note that there might not be some big differences that you can see. Okay, but if you see in your textbook, they will be show lah. They will show that there's a slight difference. Okay, all right. So then after that, if you want to adjust it, if you think it is too dark and so on, right, we can go to the bright and contrast setting, brightness and contrast, so you can see all the different things lah. Okay, but for in this case, for now we are not going to select any of it. Okay, next we need to save as enhancement solution. Okay, solution. Please get rid of the underscore. All right, so save it as that. Okay, and then we continue on first. Okay, no need to upload yet. Okay, because we have quite a few topics to cover lah. Okay, so next you need to change the color of the image. Okay, so we need to select the color. The same thing for same thing. If this selected, we need to select the color shift tab. Okay, and then we select the one, the top, we shows the baby holding the spoon. Wait, am I at the right place? uh, should be correct, right? Where got the, oh, my mistake. We need to go to the next sheet. Okay, go to the next sheet. Okay, so over here we need to select this one. All right, the one with the baby holding the spoon. Okay, so similarly, go to the picture tool format. Now make sure you select the correct one. You select a wrong one, also this one will still appear. Okay, so make sure you select the correct one. All right, and then click the color button in the menu. So you should be able to see at the in up here there's a color one. All right, and then we need to select which one do we need to select. Okay. Mm, so you will notice, all right, there's a few types. There's color saturation, so from dark to bright. Then there's color tone also. Okay, this is basically like your Instagram filter lah. Okay, so this one instead of Instagram, this is what we call Microsoft Excel filter. Okay, so there are a lot of different options that you can pick. All right. Did they specify any? Okay, here, recolor. In the recolor, we need to select sepia. So we need to hover over one. Okay, this is sepia. We select sepia. And then in the adjust group color again, color option. So you need to go to here, color, and then go to the bottom there, color option. All right. And format picture. In the format picture, are we in the format picture? Yes, in the format picture pane. Okay, so move. Okay, mine is because I'm using a different Microsoft Excel. It might appear, your one might appear at here also if you're using the correct one lah. Otherwise it should be similar. Okay, move the sharpness slider to the right. Where is the sharpness slider? format, color, options, sharpness. Oh, my one don't have the sharpness. Oh. Oh, okay. Mine is here. All right. Sharpness to the right. So I want to left, right. I want to reach 33%. Okay. Now you can move it the slider or you can type it. I find typing easier lah. Okay. So once I got that, I press enter. Okay. Now in your case, if you're using the proper Microsoft 2013, you'll be able to see all this lah. Okay, because mine is an older version, so not so accurate. But you should be able to see the sharpness over here, and then you can adjust from there lah. So close it, save, and then we move on to apply artistic effect. Now this time we're going to select the donation box photo. Okay, this is the donation box photo, so we select this one. Okay, and then in the picture format tool, we go to select the artistic effects. Okay, so in my case, I have it over here, artistic effect. Right, so there's a many different types of artistic effect. This is also similar to your Instagram filter. Okay, now select the line drawing effect. Okay, so this one we need to select line drawing effect. Which is the line drawing effect? This one. Yes, this one. Okay, now you notice that this one is like somebody use a pencil to draw like that lah, or color pencil to draw like that. Okay, so this is the effect of it lah. Okay, now we can customize this effect. All right, how do we do that? Okay, uh we go to the artistic effect again, to the artistic effect option. Okay, and then we can change the pencil size to, maybe let's go to 28. Okay, follow the what the book said. Now if you notice, all right, when I move it, when I move the slider, you can see that the effect is more and more faded lah. Okay, so let's put this to 28. Oops, I forgot to change the transparency as well. So this transparency need to change to 51%. Okay, all right, so there's quite a big effect. If I put 100% transparency, then the effect will be disappear lah. Of course, if I put 0% transparency, then the effect will be larger. But we want to be able to see what's behind also, right? So we put 51%. Okay, so close, and then we continue on. Apply picture style. Okay, yeah, we supposed to reach all the way to modify. Okay, so now in this same one, now we're going to select back the donation box photo. Okay, select it back. Okay, we go to the picture tools format. All right, same thing. And then in the picture style, now if you notice that there are a lot of different picture style here. Okay, so we can hover over it to see the various different impact it has. All right. Okay, but this is not all. There are actually a lot more. Okay, not just limited to what you can see. Okay, so you can see now we got to select the drop shadow rectangle. Okay, drop shadow rectangle. Which is the drop shadow rectangle? Yeah, this one. Okay, what the effect here is that you can see that there's a shadow behind here lah. All right, and then we need to change the picture border also. So we go to the picture border button. Picture border button is say similar place as the picture style one. Okay, we go to the weight and then we select 3 point. All right. Okay, after that, save it. Let me save. I also forgot to save. Okay, then we continue on. Reset a picture. Okay, now we have done all that already. Now we go to the third one. Now select the this one. This picture is called Give Gain Grow. All right, by GG. Okay, that's me. All right, never mind. Okay, on the pictures tool format. All right, we go to there and then we click reset picture. Okay, where is it? Is near all your correction color, all that. We have reset picture. Okay, so there's two options. All right, so if we click reset the picture and size, you notice that it will go back to its original one lah. Okay, so in this case, the size did not change much, but if I change the size, click reset, see the size go back to its original. Okay, now we're going to modify, this is the last one for this assignment. We're going to modify a pictures property. Okay, so you're going to select color sheet tab again, still in the color sheet tab. Now we're going to go to the baby one, baby feeding photo, so it should be this one. Okay, select size and property. Okay, from the shortcut menu. So we need to right click, okay, and then size and property, we select it. All right, so you should have this thing appear, okay, or something like this at the side there. Okay, now go to the properties category. So for my case, I have to click here. All right, and then select move and size with cell, move and size with cell. Okay, so what does this mean is that when I change the size of the cell, okay, change the size of all these individual cell, it will follow. See, see, but down there didn't follow. All right, so let me go back to original first. Okay, move and size with cell. Okay, and then we're going to close this. All right, now column border between J and K. Okay, and then drag it. Oh, okay, yeah, exactly just what I did lah. Okay, so then we undo, then we leave it like that, and we are done for now. So save, upload, and see you next assignment.